is Math Unmasked for Unit 6, Lesson 9. Today's lesson was about the distributive property. So I've got two rectangles here that show the difference between distributive property, right? So this rectangle is 6, and then as a part here that's 2, and a part here that's by 6. If I was going to write a statement, a mathematical statement, I might say that this is 6 times. Remember, when we write a number right next to that parenthesis, that means that we are multiplying. Just bring this a little bit closer so we can see that a little bit better. 6 times 2 plus 3, right? So, and then this one, this rectangle is 6 by 5. So that would just be 6 times 5. Now, both of these, obviously, we know that this equals 5. This side is 5 long. These two rectangles are the same. But this kind of shows that distributive property. We can just do 6 times 5 and say, you know what? This area has a rectangle of 30 unit squares. For this one, we could do that first. We could find this parenthesis first. And we could say this is also 6 times 5. Or we could think about this. We could say, you know what? This rectangle has a 6 unit square because this part is 6 by 2. And then this rectangle is 6 by 3. So this has an area of 18 unit squares. And if I was going to show this mathematically, I would multiply 6 times the 2. And I would multiply 6 times the 3. And then I could add them together. And I'm still getting 30 units squared. Okay. What this means is that all of these expressions, this expression, this expression, this expression, and this expression are equivalent. They are all worth the same amount. They're all worth 30. And we can use what we know about multiplication, addition, and our other operations to make those equivalent expressions. On our homework tonight, it's really pretty short. Okay, we have just these two, and we are filling in that box using that distributive. So if we're looking at this one, think about what we did with the parentheses up here, right? This to this. And when we're looking at this one is kind of going backwards, right? We've got these numbers, and we're trying to go back to this state. Good luck with your homework.